coolest gadgets for your bedroom. Decades of technological development have resulted in the creation of some beautiful and helpful gadgets that have revolutionized what our living area should look like. In this video, we will discuss some of the most innovative gadgets that you can keep in your bedrooms. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 8. Ryze Tech Tello. Starting with something you may not have expected to see here, so we're discussing the Ryze Tech Tello drone. The Tello drone takes stunning photos and videos thanks to its high-quality camera module. Even if you don't know how to fly a drone, you can use easy shots to capture pro-level video content and share them on social media internet from your smartphone. This drone's camera is equipped with 5-megapixel photos and HD 720 videos with an optimum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello drone has antenna arrays for extra stable video transport and an elevated battery for extraordinarily long flight times. Tello's technology, such as a DJI-powered flight controller, allows you to perform fantastic things with this mini drone. Flying has never been more enjoyable or simple. The Ryze Tech Tello, powered by DJI, comes with 4 propellers, propeller guards, battery, micro USB cable, and propeller removal tool. Number 7. SKG Smart Neck Massager. The SKG Smart Neck Massager has now been added to the list. As a result, this is a clever massager that tends to focus on neck muscle relaxation. For muscle relaxation, it employs a non-physical pressing system, pulse penetration, and increased blood circulation. This device also has a heating function and is lightweight. You don't need to use your hands to experience the massage, and you can do it anywhere without disrupting your daily work regimen. Because it has a simple operating system, you can easily control it with a remote. It also has a very clean and comfortable design. SKG Neck Massager comes in 10 different massage concentrations and models to choose from. The option you choose is determined by your selectivity to the stimulus and muscle spasms. When using the massager, you can select the appropriate strength based on your feelings and experience. Number 6. Echo Look. The Amazon Echo Look is a standard Echo with a constructed camera that contains a few beneficial properties not found on other Echo devices. At its center, it's still a voice assistant, which means it's a speaker with a constructed virtual assistant. The twist and what distinguishes this gadget from every other Echo device is that the camera, rather than the speaker, is the biggest feature. The Echo Look is mainly a 5-megapixel camera constructed into an Echo Smart speaker, complete with LED lighting systems and depth sensing. It includes Wi-Fi, which it utilizes to connect with the internet, as well as a system for monitoring it via the Alexa app on a smartphone. The Echo Look, like other Echo speakers, necessitates internet connectivity to function. The Look, unlike other Echo devices, lacks Bluetooth technology, so you can't use it to play music from your phone if you don't have a connection to the internet. When you attach the Look to the internet, you gain access to the full features and functions of Amazon's Alexa virtual assistant, as well as some extra features. You can ask it to do almost anything the Echo and the Echo Dot can, though the constructed speaker is inadequate in comparison to those gadgets. Number 5. TileMate. TileMate is the simplest, speediest, and most dependable method of finding your phone, keys, or anything else. Its Bluetooth tracking system is now 25% smaller. TileMate easily attaches to keychains or anything else you would not want to lose, so you can find it quickly. When your TileMate is nearby but out of sight, use your smartphone to make it ring. Have you lost your phone? Simply double-press the TileMate button to make your phone ring. It rings the phone, even in silent mode. The free Tile app recounts the last time and location it saw your tile, so you'll always know where to look if you leave it elsewhere. Is your tile no longer where you kept it? You can ask for help in the community, as it is the world's largest lost and found network system. Number 4. Solar Air Purifier. This is the high-quality rotating solar crystal car air freshener powered by solar energy. It is made of metal. This is an excellent design for car interior decoration. As a result, you can easily keep it in your car. The device is powered by solar energy and does not require any type of battery. It tends to revolve on its own and has no negative effect on the environment. It is simple to install and requires little effort. It is straightforward to use. You can fix the product to any flat surface using the soft adhesive. The product is safe to use and can withstand temperatures above 2,000 degrees. Its small size does not obstruct the driver's view, and it can also be used as a showpiece in bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices. Number 3. AirBar. Consider taking a non-touch PC and transforming it into a touch interactive device in a matter of seconds. You can do it by linking AirBar and instantly beginning to communicate with the display. In comparison to today's touch-enabled PCs, the AirBar detector keeps your high-quality matte display glare-free and free of oily fingerprints. Choose the PC you want and let AirBar assist you when needed. You can simply attach the AirBar to the bottom of your screen with the included magnetic materials and plug in the USB cord. AirBar is compatible with most Windows 10 notebooks with 13.3-inch screens. You can touch it with a finger, stylus, glove, paintbrush, or other objects. Essentially, it was created for Windows 10 laptops. Tap, wipe, pinch, zoom, and rotate are some of the gestures that can be used to make it easier to use. It now has touchscreen capabilities. Again, simply attach the AirBar to the bottom of your screen with the included magnets and plug in the USB cord. In the case of a wireless mouse, the USB receiver is built into or included with the mouse. AirBar is compatible with most Windows 10 notebooks with 13.3-inch screens. Number 2. SpyFinder Pro. This hidden video camera finder instantly locates all cameras, wireless or wired, working or not. The SpyFinder Pro hidden spy camera detector is the best counter-regulation technique for locating all secret video camera gadgets. No camera, CCTV, CMOS, or CCD can hide. With a secret device detector, you will have peace of mind knowing that no device is trying to capture your private moments. When you press a button on this bug detector, 6 special bright red electronic LED strobe lights are activated, designed to rebound off the smallest pinhole camera lenses. Simply looking through the viewfinder of this hidden camera finder will reveal a camera lens blinking back the reflectivity at you. When you notice the unwanted device, you can take the necessary steps to prevent the camcorder from recording your activity. This small piece of detection system can fit in your bag and keep you safe from unlawful video and secret spy cameras wherever you go. The SpyFinder Pro hidden spy camera detector is small enough to keep on your person at all times. This system enables extra safety by detecting hidden video recording spy lenses from up to 45 feet away. The 3 LED settings eliminate false reflections, allowing you to find a secret camera lens in any room environment. Number 1. Rocketbook Wave Smart Notebook. The world's first microwave-to-erase smart notebook is now available. The Rocketbook Wave offers you the ability of a conventional pen and paper notebook while automatically uploading your notations to the cloud via your smartphone. When you use the Pilot friction pens with a Wave notebook, you can use your microwave oven to wipe away your notes and recycle your notebook. When using any friction pen by Pilot, you can erase and reuse your Rocketbook Wave up to 5 times in the microwave. Pilot friction penning becomes clear at 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Celsius, and the Rocketbook Wave is microwave safe. After you've finished taking notes in your Rocketbook Wave, download the Rocketbook mobile app to quickly send your written notes to all of your favorite cloud services, including Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, iCloud, OneNote, and more. The pleasure of pen and paper meets the convenience of the cloud. This advanced machine vision simplifies your task. Flip the pages of your phone held just above the book. The Rocketbook app detects your pages, scans them, and creates images that are more crisp and lively than the actual stuff in milliseconds. So that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for being with us. Please like the video and subscribe to get more videos like this.